Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a good mask for your skin so that you can remove any dark spots, blackness, suntan, whatever you have. So first of all, I'm taking a gram flour. You can take it 2 to 3 spoon. I have taken maybe 2 spoons, as you can see, and it's up to you how much you want. If you want more, you can also apply this on your body as well. So then I'm going to take a yogurt. It's up to you if you want to take a natural yogurt or from the market. It's totally up to you how you want it. If you want to add something, obviously you can also apply this with the tomato. Okay, so first of all, I have took the gram flour, then I'm adding it a yogurt in it. I'm taking like 3 to 2.5 spoons, as you can see. So you'll just like take this much, just these two things, and you're ready to go. Okay, so just taking the GLAM yogurt, and then I'm just, okay, maybe it's more than 3 spoons, I don't know, like, okay, fine. So now I'm just like mixing it well. So mix it well so that it doesn't have any kind of part or whatever it is, like, you know what I'm talking about. So yes, and just mix it well, as well, so that it will, like, you have to mix till the time it'll convert in the thick cream, like, I'll show you. Wait a moment. So mix it well. You can take anything. I'm just using this fog. As you can see, just mix it how much you can and convert it in like a thick cream. As you can see, now I'm talking about this, so you have to convert this in like this thick cream till the time it will convert this. You can okay, one more thing is really important. Before you apply this, make sure your face is like really clean. You have to first wash it with the water, nothing else, and then you have to apply this. And when you wash your face, you will be in heaven maybe, but you have to see. I'll just show you. Look at this, how thick it is, and it really helps me to glow my face whenever I don't want to apply any makeup, anything. So you can just use this, and you can see you have to apply it like this, really thin in the base. It feels really soft, really cold on my skin. That's the part what I love. Like, if you're having a yogurt, make sure you're storing it in fridge so that just it'll be good. Okay, now I'm removing it a cotton pad, which is not good. Don't remove it with the cotton pad, just wash it. It was just for the demo, and I have washed it, and you can see the difference. You can totally see the difference between my hand and right hand. So like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel.